Think about it. You roll up to the drive-thru, bark out your order in a caffeine-fueled haze, pay with your phone, and bam, there's your Big Mac and fries. But what happens behind the scenes? How does McDonald's keep this fast food symphony running smoothly? The answer lies in a powerful tool, the electronic point of sale system, or EPOS for short. But does McDonald's use a standard, off-the-shelf EPOS system like the ones you might find at a local coffee shop? Buckle up, because the answer's more interesting than you might think. From cash registers to digital wizards. Back in the day, McDonald's, like most restaurants, relied on clunky cash registers. But as the business boomed, they needed something more robust, something that could handle the ever-increasing volume and complexity of orders. Enter New POS, a custom-built EPOS system originally developed by a company called Savista. New POS was a game-changer. It streamlined ordering, sped up transactions, and even helped manage inventory. Here's the kicker. In 2007, McDonald's decided to take things a step further. They acquired the rights to New POS, bringing the entire system in-house. This gave them complete control over customization and development. Meet NP6, the McDonald's Maestro. The result? NP6, the latest iteration of New POS. This isn't your average EPOS system. Imagine a system designed specifically for the fast food chaos of a McDonald's kitchen. NP6 boasts a user-friendly interface, often relying on pictures instead of text, making it perfect for employees with varying language skills. But it's not just about ease of use. NP6 integrates seamlessly with other aspects of the McDonald's operation. Think real-time inventory tracking, order routing to the kitchen, and even digital menu boards that update automatically. It's a symphony of technology working together to get you your fries in record time. Why McDonald's went custom? So why didn't McDonald's just stick with a pre-built EPOS system? There are a couple of reasons. Firstly, the sheer scale of McDonald's operation requires something incredibly robust. Off-the-shelf systems might not be able to handle the massive transaction volume and specific needs of a global fast food giant. Secondly, customization is key. McDonald's has unique workflows and processes. A custom-built system allows them to tailor the EPOS to their exact needs, maximizing efficiency and optimizing the customer experience. Is NP6 right for everyone? Here's the thing. While McDonald's NP6 is a marvel of technology, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Developing and maintaining a custom EPOS system requires significant resources. For smaller businesses, the cost might be prohibitive. However, the story of McDonald's EPOS journey highlights the power of these systems. A well-designed EPOS can revolutionize your business, streamlining operations, boosting efficiency, and ultimately, keeping your customers happy. So there you have it. McDonald's does indeed use a form of EPOS, but it's a custom-built powerhouse called NP6. This system is a testament to the power of technology to transform even the most familiar aspects of our lives, like grabbing a quick bite at McDonald's. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.